Hi, fourth graders. So I have the cat for a reason. Oh, let's see if I can, this is typically off limits. So you know how yesterday I talked to you a little bit about weight? Well, Oliver is a 13-pound cat. And today's lesson is about weight. Now I'm talking about the customary system here. Looks like he wants down. I'll put him down. Okay. Okay, thanks, Oliver. So this is actually about units of weight. So sticking still to the customary system. The customary system, of course, is from England, and it's our system here in America. So you're going to hear terms today titled ounce, pound, and ton. So I really want you to get used to these kind of labels, and I want you to understand which is more and which is less, okay? Up here, definition of weight is how heavy some object is. So I've got a few things behind me that I want to show you. So first of all, let's talk about these different ways of measuring weight. So first I have this little kitchen scale. This is something I use a lot when I'm making bread. It's all about ratios and pounds. And it does both the metric system and our regular standard system, or the customary system. So if you look really closely here, I can turn it on. And it's gonna warm up just a sec, right? Okay, right now it's measuring in pounds and ounces, and that is the customary system. So if I were to show you here, it's at 0, registering at 0. Okay, 0. I've got these 4 coins. Okay, these are going to be small units of measurement. Let's see. If you were to guess which one would be the heaviest, what would you say? Probably the quarter. Let's see if we're right. So the quarter is going to weigh 2 ounces. That's pretty small. Now, if we're saying which one would be next, ooh, this is really tough. We've got a nickel, a dime, and a penny. Just by guess, let's try this nickel.
This isn't a penny.
Oh no, we have the English penny. Canadian penny. So, what? It's also 2 ounces?
It's 0.2 ounces.
0.2. Hold on a second. Let's look at this. That's a quarter. Oh my gosh, they're saying the quarter and that are the same weight. Okay, so let's check out our Canadian penny. 1 ounce. Yep, we knew that. And then a
0.1 ounce.
0.1 ounce. And then of course the dime. Interesting. Okay, so these are small units of measure. So what if I took this nectarine? Let's look and see how much the nectarine weighs in ounces. So we should see something more than 0.2 ounces because that was our quarter and our nickel, believe it or not. Let's see. 4.8 ounces. So we're getting heavier. If I were to just to look around my kitchen and start measuring things out, you should be able to decide, okay, what's going to be heavier. Now things are going to get big, okay? If I could get Oliver to sit on the scale, he'd register at 13. Let's look around. So we've got this butter dish. Feels pretty heavy. I wonder if it's more than a pound. So I'm using the kitchen scale. Oh, it is. So this is actually 1 pound and 8.8 ounces. So that's pretty heavy. Okay. So the more an object weighs, the more it should register. This is an old-timey scale, and it's just it's not as accurate as our digital scale here. Let's see. We said that this nectarine, according to our digital scale, was 4.8 ounces. Let's see what it weighs here. Okay, that's about a quarter pound. It's about right.
That's exactly right.
That's right. So something even this old can measure the same amount. Now, objects that are much, much too big to weigh, so we're talking about smaller units of measurement. So we just looked at ounces. So be thinking of small things, coins, fruit. Poundage, things get bigger. So let's find something in the kitchen that weighs more. How about the pestle and mortar? Mortar? Pestle and mortar.
Pestle and mortar.
Pestle and mortar. So this is a dish used for grinding spices. We do this for several dishes. So if I were to put this is actually pretty heavy. It's made out of marble. I'm going to put this on our digital scale here. Oh boy. And I don't know what the total poundage of this scale can take. Okay, so this is a 4.7 pound object. Let's see if it weighs about the same over here in our old analog. Oh my gosh, it's saying 4.5 or 4.5 pounds. So half a pound is, let's see, a pound is how many ounces, Dawson?
16.
16. So half a 16?
8.
8. So this is 4.5 pounds. Let's go back to this. Oh, this is so cool, right? 4.71. So they're pretty close if we're checking. Now, there's a couple things that I can't use just standard household measurements for. Let's go downstairs. Come on with me. It's the last thing on our list. It's called tons.
Dun, dun.
2,000 pounds. So what in this house could weigh 2,000 pounds? I know where to find it. Come on. Oh dear. What happened to the cat?
Oh no.
Oh, hi, Ellie. I guess this is what happens. Oh, the rough life of being a math cat. Okay, let's go downstairs. Ooh, it's night here. Thanks, Bill and Boy. So now we're down here in the wine cellar. Oh, there they are. Ha! Well, I have to be honest, they're more than 2,000 pounds. I think the car furthest from the camera is about 3 tons. Is that right? 6,000 pounds? It's 2 tons. Yeah, a little over 2 tons. And this smaller guy here, well, they're about 500 pounds difference. So a car would be something you do in tons. And remember, your coins and your fruit and even small items would be measured in pounds or ounces. That's the lesson. It's super easy. I think you guys will be able to get it no problem. They're going to give you pictures, like a piece of bread. What would you measure bread in? Tons, pounds, or ounces? That's right, ounces. So think about all the things that would make more sense. If they gave you a helicopter, not a toy helicopter, a real helicopter, like something that a president would fly around in. Definitely not ounces, not pounds. Tons. Okay, common sense. All right, 4th graders, this is a fun lesson. 14.3. Have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.